At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, a Jamaican-born, Brooklyn-based pastor, Reverend Edward Richard Hines, has been arrested by New York police on sex crime charges. The charges unsealed in the Brooklyn Supreme Court: having sex with an underage male minor. My wisdom warriors, wanna see what is really going on? Wanna see what is going on? A Jamaican pastor arrested on sex charges in New York. Wanna see enough of them pastor you can't be trusted? Wanna see enough of them pastor you cannot be trusted, my wisdom warriors? And guess what? We the people trust them the most, That is the thing. And guess what? So they have their little Sunday school and them youth camp and all type of thing. And when you're ready, you trust the pastor them. You send all the picnic them go Sunday school, pan youth camp, and you not even know what is going on. Me box cover. This a mania. Forget life imprisonment. This a mania. They must stop me in the right. And a long time they must stop me go on, A long time these things are going, my wisdom warriors. You know what? Because we trust too much. We trust these pastors too much. Jano, I really feel sorry for this youth. I really feel sorry for him. I really feel sorry for him. Jano. The office of the Prime Minister is reportedly close to completing an auditor's verification report triggered by a major fallout at Jamaica Post between CEO and Postmaster General Lincoln Allen and several staff members, including senior managers. The fallout is being blamed for what has been labeled a toxic work environment that is threatening to become explosive. My wisdom warriors, on hear what go on, a whistleblower let a sparks probe into Jamaica Post practices. CEO dismisses claim of mismanagement. Wanna see what go on in Andrew Holness office? Wanna see what is going on in the office of the Prime Minister? Wanna see what is going on in Jamaica? I don't know how the labor right them are run behind Andrew Holness. So when you hear me, I beat and teach Andrew Holness. I want no for to leave me alone. Let me beat and teach him. Let me beat and teach him a pure toxic tension are going in at the office of the Prime Minister. The people, they're not happy with Andrew Holness, Andrew Holness is a bully. And so is his ministers. Then stay the same very way, just like Andrew Holness. I have a video clip for showing my people with Anne-Marie Vaz. Pick up herself and gone over Morant Bay St. Thomas, a bully our candidate, our former mayor, Yvonne Rose. You say, oh, she stink and bright and out of order. And if people retaliate now, then say PNP are the worst. If people for retaliate, then say PNP are the worst. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, wanna see when me a beat and teach the dirty king labor right, nobody no fi vex. Wanna see when me a beat and I teach the dirty king labor right, them, nobody no fi vex. Wanna see how Anne-Marie Vaz, she bright and stink and out of order. Wanna see how she stay, she left from all the way, all the way from Portland, gone over Morant Bay, St. Thomas, a cause problem. That little Jezebel girl. That little Jezebel, tag her for me there. Tag the Jezebel. Tag the Jezebel. Listen to me, girl. Listen to me, girl. Me don't know what you think, you know. Now make me talk things, you know. Don't make me talk things because I must think, say. Buy the man them pay rum can make you win election, girl. Dirty girl, me want you leave Yvonne Rose alone. Me want you leave Yvonne Rose alone. We want you to leave our councillor, caretaker alone, dirty wretch. You left from all the way from Portland and come over Morant Bay. I can't give problem. And then the little idiot labor right them did I come cuss our candidate. You see how they stink and bright and out of order? My wisdom warriors. I want to fix them up good and proper, you see. I want to talk some things, you see. I want to talk some things, you see. Listen to me, Anne-Marie Vaz. Uno things are uno bad. Hey, mighty God of Daniel, may I beg God to hold me tongue. May I beg God to hold me tongue. Dirty Jezebel girl, me want you leave Rose alone. Dirty Jezebel Anne-Marie Vaz. Jezebel, leave Yvonne alone. Uno is a set of warmongers. Uno is a set of warmonger, my wisdom warriors. I see the way how them a behave. I know say the general election. Me tell you, you know. So me have a vision. Me have a vision and me I tell you, say, the general election now go be smooth, you know. You see the rate of how them a move and a behave. Uno see how PNP humble. Uno see how the labor right them a text it pan the PNP. And the PNP them a humble. All right. No, me just want you to realize, you know, and see, you know, no matter, you know, the shades where them a throw, no matter the attack where them a fling, no matter how them a KILL for PNP people them, you know, see how the PNP people them humble. All right. Okay. So you and Marie Vaz, for whatever reason, you think you're a bad girl. Look on you, dirty Jezebel girl. Look on you, dirty Jezebel girl. I can't argue with big woman like Yvonne. Dirty Jezebel. Who uno man? Who uno? Who ya your man? Because uno thinks uno bad people. Uno thinks uno bad people because hey, no make me leg on my mouth over here, so. Don't make me leg on my mouth. Uno too out of order. Hey, PNP. Me want to look out on the eye, you know. I want to look out on the year, you know, say a be a war thing, you know. A be a war thing them depend, you know. A pure war thing them depend. And Marie Vaz, me don't know who I hype you up, you know. But anybody I hype you up, darling, you better quat. You better chill. You better go take some chill pill, Jezebel girl. Go to tag her for me there. You can screen record it. Screen record it and send it to the Jezebel. I want you to come off a PNP, dirty girl. Come off a PNP, because PNP not trouble you. My wisdom warriors, you know what is the problem? You know what is the problem? Because Yvonne come out with our crowd and it a mad them. It a mad the labor right them. They can't do nothing else but want to go war the PNP. An idiot on the labor right, an idiot. To go away. Bad man a kill you know. Me say me want bad man fit on uno upside it down. My wisdom warriors. We have to laugh at a bad man when we see them, you know. Me say, true because Yvonne a beat them bad. And Yvonne crowd come out and the people them must support Yvonne and it a mad Anne-Marie Vaz. And it a mad Jezebel. Jezebel, you worry about Morant Bay? You worry about St. Thomas? You better make sure say you worry about Portland because Portland, you not have Portland. No matter the amount of rum where you buy for them over there. You think say rum and party? You think the rum party bring changes? Let me ask you something, my little Jezebel girl. You think the rum and party bring changes? The people they want real changes. The people they want somebody to stand up for them for truth and rights. And that them a deal with. So you over here now, remember, you know, Yvonne, they are yard, you know, my wisdom warriors. Our yard today, you know. Our yard today. And you see how Anne-Marie Vaz, she a walk up like she a bad girl. You see, Anne-Marie, she a walk up like she a bad girl. Me say, no worry on yourself, man. No worry on yourself. General election so come. So we are going to give you a piece of ass. We are going to give you a piece of beat. Let me say. Yes. Bad men I kill them, you know. Lord, them bad mind, them grudgeful, them workless, they no shame. Them is a set of disgrace the whole labor right. Everybody will support labor right, me a chat. At this point, anybody will call themselves labor right. Them not sensible. Them could never sensible. Sometimes I hear them attack on TikTok. Me have to say, Jesus, me ask you to intervene and help them. Because they not even know. Anybody will support labor right, my wisdom warriors. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. How can you not support Andrew Wellness agenda? Me tell you, if I go do no research, you know. No wonder why no found no labor right and don't like Trump. No PNP not like Trump either, but me realize that they not do their research. No found no labor right no like. All of you not like Trump. You know why you not like Trump? Trump a mash up on a Dally house now because the agenda, the Biden agenda and the Canadian agenda will una bring. Yeah, Trump not depend that. Remember my wisdom warriors, the app where Christopher Tufton, the health minister, the health ministry. Una remember the app where them put out and the parents them did a ball out and say for remove the app because appear sexual this man, woman business and transgenderism upon the app. Remember say them are going to start teaching in a school. Remember say in the school they have transgender toilet. Trump a mash up on the Dally house. Because there's no more Biden administration for follow. One of the things that Andrew Wellness is happy how Trump win. Me happy how Trump win. That's why yesterday I hear me lick out wicked. Because I don't understand how Jamaica say them is a Christian country. But yet them with Kamala and Biden administration. I understand a Christian. I'll not found a Christian too. No found a Christian. Una figure repent. Because una not even have no understanding. No found no Christian will run go vote for Kamala. Uno figure repent. No found uno. Because uno not even know what I do. Uno not do research. Uno just attack about social Jamaican. You see, uno, everyone go with uno die-heartedness. Everyone go with uno die-heartedness. My wisdom warriors, when I see the video clip, you know, when I see the video clip with Anne-Marie Vaz and the way she behave, me have to say, mighty God of Daniel. Me not think the general election will go so smooth, you know. Because one thing, you know, labor right, them are trouble, the PNP, you know. But me know if they start them free, it will cause problem. It will cause problem. You know why? Because it's building up. Yeah, it will build up in the PNP them. Because remember, labor right out of trouble PNP every single time. All me want God to do, and all me a pray for intervention. That me a pray for. Me a pray God to help the labor right people them. To help them. Put some little wisdom. Give them little sense. Because they no sensible. They no sensible, my wisdom warriors. They no sensible. Me realize it. Me can't believe that the people them, you know, were living at the gutter. The people them were living at the rural area. The labor right them around behind Andrew Wellness. Uno sick? Something wrong with you, no? My wisdom warriors. Uno tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put uno honest opinion in the comment section. Listen. Uno not have to agree with me, you know. You don't have to agree with me. Everybody have them own opinion. You understand? But when me come with is always facts. Me hear people talk about how Trump don't help black people. Me have the proof here. Trump do help black people. And let me read out 1 and 2 for one there. President Donald Trump on Thursday. You see this when me I read out my wisdom warriors. This was when he was president the last time, yeah? President Donald Trump, and this is his achievements. When no found no Jamaican no know. Yeah, me I go teach you something. We know if you learn for the research. President Donald Trump on Thursday signed a bipartisan bill that will permanently provide more than $250 million a year to the nation's historically black colleges and universities, along with dozens of other institutions that serve large shares of minority students. In signing the bill, Trump said historically black schools have never had better champions in the White House. When I took office, I promised to fight for HBCUs, and my administration continues to deliver. My wisdom warriors, I want to take a look at the screen. This is some of his achievements. America gained 7 million new jobs, more than 3 times government experts' projections. Middle-class family income increased nearly $6,000, more than 5 times the gains during the entire previous years. The unemployment rate reached 3.5%, the lowest in a half century. Achieved 40 months in a row with more job openings than job hirings. More Americans reported being employed than ever before, nearly 160 million. Jobless claims hit a nearly 50-year low. The number of people claiming unemployment insurance as a share of the population hit its lowest on record. Income rose in every single metro area in the United States for the first time in nearly 3 decades. My wisdom warriors, and the list goes on a whole heap more. This is Donald Trump achievements. So no found I talk about Donald Trump. You only look pan him and because he's rude and feisty. You have to go check the background. Go check the background. This is why you see a lot of black people come out, and vote for him. You know why? Because they're smart. Them smart, but I don't know why anything say Andrew Wallace is like a Trump. Andrew Wallace is not non-Trump. No. Andrew Wallace is not like Trump. Trump better than Andrew Wallace, whole heap. Because as bad as things may be, Trump now make him people then suffer. May I tell you no? You need to do some research, man, and then you will know. But you see, if you don't know something, yeah, me know say we just not like Trump. Because by hearing how him talk, we not like him. Like me, me like people who are straightforward and taught them mind. I don't care. Yeah, and that's some mistake too. So me like Trump. You get me? And guess what? It's not only that, is his achievements and what he do for the country. You understand me? Yeah. And Trump not like war. No found not even know that. The last time Trump stopped the war, you didn't know that? You know what? I have to go sit down here, man, to go talk to you about all of this. But that's one different day. Anyway, my people, just like and share out the video for me. Subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my other channel. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Hot Off of the Press and about PNP News Round channel. My people, if you want to reach out to me, all you have to do is text me on 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.